Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video we are going to do 2017 paper 2 MC question 9, and this is about functions and graphs. Let's get started. We have to determine if P and Q are positives or negative. It shouldn't be too hard for you guys, right? Because when you see this kinds of equation, a bracket and then something is outside, then you have to already think of a form called vertex. Yes, hopefully you still remember what it is. Well, vertex form means like the point of this, the least one or the largest one. This time it's the least one because the largest one can still go along up. So this one is the least one. And then let's see how we can do it. So even for the vertex we need x and y, right? We need both coordinates. And then how can we find that? Well, for the x you can find it from inside the bracket, and the y coordinate will be this q. Okay, so we will already know this y coordinate is q, and then for the x it will be, let's find, equals to 0 first and then find x. You should be able to get x as negative 5 over p. So x is negative 5 over p. You get the vertex already, coordinate, but then you have to compare it with the graph as well. This is from the equation, and let's see from the graph as well. Let's see q first, is easier to read, right? So for q, the y here, it's around here, right? So here y is positive or negative. The origin is here, this is up, this is down, and so this point is, yep, that is negative. Okay, this was from the equation and this was from the graph. So the final answer is q less than 0. So this can be correct, this can be right. We already know b and d is for sure wrong. And how about for x? Let's also find here. X is positive or negative? The origin is here, this is right, this is left, so this one is negative. So from the equation we had negative 5 over p, and then from the graph we have is so less than 0 because it's a negative number. Okay, and then what can we do? Just flip it. You should be able to get p over negative 5, and then move this negative 5 to that side. You should be getting p larger than 0. Why is it larger than 0 now? Because we are moving a negative number to the other side. That's why your answer will be changing the symbol in between. So whenever you move a negative to the other side, it becomes larger than, it becomes the opposite sign. Alright, that's why your answer is this one, C. And one thing you can do quicker in DSE is that if you see on this side it's a negative, see negative, then what you have to do, there's a negative here, so the down one has to be positive so that your final answer is a negative, because you will have a minus and the plus becomes minus. So yeah, so this one has to be positive. Okay, so that's all for this question. Hope you like it, and if you have more questions regarding it, you may feel free to ask on IG or you in the comment section down below. Thank you.